GBPUSD in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader application, and once you're there, hit towards your quotes icon on the bottom left that is located right here. And once you're there, on the top right, you should see this small cross icon. Just simply click on it. And now, under Find Symbols, sort up for GBPUSD. So once you've done that, just simply select GBPUSD. And now it has been automatically added to your quotes. Now go back, and right here you can see GBPUSD. Just simply click on it once, and then select Open Chart. Now it will load chart data, and that's it. There you have it. Your GBPUSD has been successfully added. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.